I can't believe how, you know, two cars can pass from here. It's really, you look at one car and one bike cannot even pass. We are here. It's a food court in Boh Tea Garden. Amazing view. You can just sit here. We are sitting here and look at the amazing breathtaking view. Nice weather. This one is steamboat. So good morning guys, and now it's 8:30 and I'm planning to go Carmon Island today. The only delay is I'm waiting for my friend. He is planning to join me from Penang, and then together we will be riding to Carmon today. And once he will go back, my planning in the evening, I will ride to KL. And my friend Prajot from Penang also here. Okay, I think we are already on right place, huh? Because from here, this highway is going to Carmon, right? We are almost like halfway. How far from here, huh? Half an hour only. Let's go to that side now. How they are going? That side. Oh, so amazing weather and view. There is some like kind of food court. Let's go inside and see what all they have. They have flavored chocolates. I've just got you can see inside this here. Okay, so we are already in Carmon Highlands. Now look at the narrow road. Cannot even pass one truck and car, so they are trying to adjust the traffic. Or continue narrow road. It's good to ride bike here. I think it's so difficult if you're using a big Jeep like this one, Land Rover. The road is not good enough. But weather is so good, amazing. So tea garden, I guess you can already see there. You can see the tea garden started from here. This is where I wanted to ride. The reason I visit Cameron is only this tea gardens. So this one is a Boh Tea. Boh is one of the biggest Malaysian tea brand. So this all area is belongs to them, I believe, if not wrong. Yeah, you can see on signboard also. It's a Boh Tea Garden. Unbelievable, amazing views. Weather is so cool, and I just love it. I think in night time the weather will be also much better. We will be riding there. For car, I don't know how to drive here. For me, I prefer to just ride bike. It's so difficult. You look at the corner, there is no support. It's already cold, and after few hours I guess the weather is going to be chilling. What an amazing road, and every corner you will see some security police to guide you for traffic. Look at this weather. The road. It's not enough even for one car. I can't believe how, you know, two cars can pass from here. It's really, you look at one car and one bike cannot even pass. So today Prajot also joined me on his Yamaha MT-07. And tonight, let's see, or maybe tomorrow, Saturday staying, and tomorrow I will be riding to KL. And then my another friend from KL, he have a new farmhouse for cherry. So I will be riding to Carmon Highlands, which is another similar to this one, but it's more famous for gambling and other activities. That's why I was asking you if we will be riding to Tea Garden. This one already Tea Garden. Yeah. Yeah, the same we have in India, Assam, northeast area. It's almost similar to this tea garden. Okay, so here is bike parking. Just park here.
Too far to walk up there.
Oh, we need to go up.
Need to walk.
Oh, so just because of parking we are riding here, huh?
Oh, you want to go to outside one, not to road one?
I think should be okay. Let's just walk from here. So we are here in a parking area, and from here onwards we need to walk. I will look for some place where I can, you know, leave my bag. My bag is so heavy. walkway to tea center.
Beli gunting.
Oi.
Setelah ni boleh lah.
Wait, wait. Sit that side lah. No use to sit there. Let's sit the corner. Can see, huh? Yeah. Thank you. So hello guys, finally we are here. It's a food court in Boh Tea Garden. Amazing view. You can just sit here. We are sitting here and look at the amazing breathtaking view. Nice weather. And it's all tea garden. Nearby they have the factory also, so we can even smell the tea. It's really worth it to ride here, and especially after look at this view while you're enjoying refreshing tea. Nice view of tea garden. Cheers. This one is steamboat.
Yeah.
Oh. Okay, so we are here in which area? This one? I don't know that name.
Tanah Lata.
Yeah, so it's just in Cameron nearby. So it's one of the best place where you can cook your steamboat on table.
Actually, it's still a lot of steamboat at night time.
Yeah. It's all together. No. Which one is right now? The fish. Go for. So this one is beef rendang, rice, tom yum soup, fresh strawberry juice. So let me enjoy now. Talk to you later. Bye bye.